Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Going straight to the point, this week there's a lot of mixed signals in the banking sector. The reason is some bank stock price is already up. So you should not be expecting fast gains in the short term. It's highly risky. For instance, in my previous videos, I had been recommending Stanbic for the past 2 weeks, but as of now, Stanbic is overbought. You can't buy Stanbic anymore. Now, if you are holding GTCO, EcoBank, Wema, be very, very careful because they are overbought. The only cheapest banking stock I can recommend to you for this week is FCMB. It's the cheapest for now. And your expected return should be around 20%. Next is the consumer goods sector. Frankly, I couldn't find anything worth buying in the consumer goods sector because companies in this sector are suffering from high costs and weak consumer spending. But if you hold in stocks like Unilever and Nascon, just hold for long term. However, it's actually not a good prospect for short-term traders. Next, there's good news in the industrial sector. Dangote Cement is a good recommendation for this week. You could actually buy now and ride the uptrend to at least 715 Naira. Another one is WAPCO, which is Lafarge. You can ride that to like say 200 Naira. Now, why am I recommending them? That's because cement demand remains very, very strong. Infrastructure and construction still support sales. And lastly, prices are more stable than other sectors. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel for my next week stocks recommendation. Bye for now.